Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down the console and detaching the Joy-Con. This prevents accidental inputs and battery issues. Once done, remove the rail and back screws with a tri-wing driver while keeping screws organized. Be careful with the ribbon cables. Disconnect the battery first to reduce risk. You want clear access to the analog stick assembly, so gently lift the casing with a spudger and set the rail aside. This first step exposes the components you will clean or replace. Now you focus on the analog module. Desoldering is not required for most models, so unscrew and lift the module from the board after noting orientation. Use 90% isopropyl and a cotton swab to dissolve grime. Spray contact cleaner into the base while actuating the stick to dislodge particles. If cleaning reduces drift, reassemble. If drift persists, install a replacement module, seating it precisely and securing screws. Make sure the connector is aligned. Before reattaching to finish, reconnect the battery and ribbon cable, replace the shell and rail, then torque screws snugly. Do not over-tighten. Power on the console and run the joystick calibration in system settings. Move the stick through full ranges and observe drift behavior. If small offsets remain, repeat cleaning or try another new module. If drift persists after replacement, check for PCB damage or motor interference. At that point, consider warranty service or a professional repair to avoid further hardware harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.